Wow, prepared to be amazed. In today's video, we're going to be looking into Google's DeepMind VEO 2, which is an incredible new model that's just been made publicly available to those that are signed up to the early trial of that through VideoFX. And you're going to see some incredible images. It makes Sora look even like a bicycle in comparison to a Formula One car or something. The outputs are incredible. And as well as that, we're going to be looking at a free model that you can use with HeyGen when you first sign up to make your own video podcasts, as well as looking at Kling AI's virtual try-on. This is going to be an incredibly exciting video, so make sure to stay to the end and see what is happening in the AI video content creators world. Okay, so here we are in HeyGen. First, I just need to sign up, and when you first signed up, you'll get presented with the prices here, different levels. I'm going to choose free, and this is the start page where they have a few things for you to try out, but we're just going to get straight into the labs section of this. Over here, you'll find all of the tools that they've got in beta right now, going into video podcast, and you have the choice of using a PDF or a website URL. I'm coming here to careeranywhere.co.uk, who sponsors my Barnabas Lawson channel, and I'm using the link to help create the video podcast. And then you just click onto which avatar you want to choose. I'm choosing avatar 1, I'm going to choose this man here, and then avatar 2, I'm going to choose this lady, and then I'm going to click on start. So just waiting for that to process, and we'll come back to that when it's finished. Okay, so here we are in Kling AI. Oh wow, look at this generation of this lion, that looks pretty amazing. We'll click out of here now, and we're going to go into AI images, and we're going to go into the AI virtual try-on. And now we're choosing single garment, and I'm choosing a product image here, which has multiple products in it. And then as you can see, once it's auto-cropped, it gives you the choice of the two products that it's recognized here, the trousers or the shirt. And I'm choosing the model and generate, and that's the output. It's not quite what I wanted on this attempt, so I'm going to upload multiple garments. I'm going to use the same image again, and this time I've got the shirt and the trousers selected, auto cropped from the same image. So we have the shirt and the trousers from the same image here, and then we're going down to generate that, and the output sped up here is of the model in the shirt and the trousers, and then we clicked on to animate it, and this is the animated model here. That just looks incredible. Look how it's brought it to life. And now I'm just going to do another example here where I'm using a pilot's jacket and jeans, and I'm going to bring this one to life as well of myself, and that it's just amazing how you can try on different products. My face went a little bit funny there as it came back round, but I'd say that's like 95%. So that was Kling AI. Let's go to HeyGen and see the final result.
Welcome to today's podcast. So, have you heard about Courier Anywhere?
Mm-hmm.
They're changing the game in same-day deliveries in the UK.
Yeah, they're the ones who specialize in Scotland and the Highlands, right?
Exactly. They offer same-day and next-day delivery throughout the UK for businesses. What's really awesome is their personal touch.
Yeah.
You can call anytime and actually speak to someone knowledgeable.
That's rare these days. Most
Totally.
companies are all automated.
Wow, so that's HeyGen's AI video generator found in the lab for creating video podcasts. It's not perfect yet, and I added a bit of music to it. And now something extra, Vigle AI.
This is Vigle's V3 beta.
And I've just got access to this, and I wanted to show you how it looks with
Different characters. So what do you think?
Is that cool or what?
Check out Vigle. I've got a link to it in the description below.
And on to the next one.
So here we are in Vigle, the app, and we'll just go through to the screen here, click onto here. We're going to choose a character that we want to choose. It's chosen my character. Now I'm going to upload a video. This is a video recorded of myself, and then we just click to generate, and that's how you make these videos. So So here we are in VEO 2, and they've already got some images here on the screen. It's their Google's DeepMind's state-of-the-art video generation model. And it says here you can sign up to try on Video FX. In the UK we can't do that right now, but in a lot of countries you can, such as even countries like Nigeria, Zimbabwe, as well as the US and many other countries. So check it out, you'll be surprised. There's a long list of countries, but UK isn't included. I guess a lot of European countries in UK because of the new laws to do with AI. Maybe that's why. Hopefully this will come to the UK soon. So VEO creates videos with realistic motion and high quality output up to 4K. Explore different styles and find your own with extensive camera controls, and so then redefining quality and control, enhanced image, realism and fidelity, advanced motion capabilities. This is just amazing. Look at this car chase through the city here. There's no sound effects on these. Wow. Got this image of this woman looking through a microscope, cinematic shot of a female doctor in a dark yellow hazmat suit illuminated by the yellow harsh fluorescent light of a laboratory. Wow. Camera spirals down for an infinite network of glowing threads pulsating with multicolored light. The setting feels alive, each thread thrumming with faint whispers. So VEO has achieved state-of-the-art results in head-to-head comparisons of outputs by human raters over top video generation models. Participants viewed 1,003 prompts and respective videos on MovieGen Bench, a benchmark that dataset released by Meta. VEO 2 performs best on overall preferences and for its capabilities to follow prompts accurately. I mean, look at these pictures here. A cinematic high action tracking shot follows an incredibly cute Dachshund wearing swimming goggles as it leaps into a crystal clear pool. Ice skating on an ice skating rink that's flying through the clouds. What? So VEO 2 looks incredible. I'm sure you enjoyed that video as much as I did. If you stayed to the end here, you have opinions on maybe which one is your most favorite, which is the one you'd like to try out. Out of the 3 things that we looked at, which one is the model or the video AI enhancement that you would like to try out yourself or have tried out yourself? Myself, I'd love to get my hands on the Google DeepMind VEO 2, which is not available in the UK yet, but it is available in many other countries right now. So you can sign up and put your name on the waiting list to get your hands onto that. But also, I love the video model that you can create a video podcast as well. Anyway, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite, and make sure to hit the like up as you've got value from this video, and check out some of the other videos on this channel which are about tools and tips for content creators using AI tools. We've got a video here and a video here, and I'll see you in those videos. Cheers.